I'm Dr. Alan Weidner from Massage Chair Relief, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about the Infinity Luminary Ciner D massage chair with a little bit of my opinion on it, the pros and cons of it. Overall, we really like this chair. It's a very good chair. It's built in the Rotai factory, which is one of the top 5 massage chair manufacturing facilities in China. I've been there. It's a phenomenal facility. So I know it's built in a good factory. That bodes well for warranty support and longevity and lower failure rates throughout the life of the chair. Having said that, I do think the warranty is a little bit short on this chair. Typically for a chair this price point, which is anywhere between 10 and 15,000 for that price point of chair, you'd like to have more than 1 year of labor, and this one has 1 year labor, 3 years parts. Of course, we have a lifetime labor warranty. So when you buy from us, after that first year is over, you're going to get covered by our lifetime labor warranty. But other companies don't offer that. So when the 1 year is up, you're going to be responsible for fixing any repairs, beyond the first year. And tech fees. Now you still have parts for 3 years, but the technical fees or the technician fees will be anywhere from $225, $250 up to $450, depending on the part, depending on how much work it's going to take to get the chair fixed. Anyways, so pro is the chair overall, wonderful chair, built in a great factory. Strong massage. It's a split track. I love split tracks. This has a good split track. And because of the split track chair, it's typically a stronger massage. And this chair does have a strong massage. But that can be a con for some people because they want something more gentle. Well, the builders of the chair realize that, and they gave you a neck pillow or a head pillow. They give you a neck and upper back pad and a full back pad. And so that can make the intensity less for you. So you can adjust the intensity in the chair. It's a 3D, 4D chair, so you can adjust the intensity, but sometimes even the lowest intensity is too much when you don't have any padding. But too much padding can also make it too soft. So you'll get used to the chair. You'll figure out what works for you, what's good. When you first sit on the chair, you might not want to take off all the padding. Give it a try with just this pad, and then you'll know next time, okay, I don't need any pad, or I need a little bit more. So a pro for that is that it's strong. The con is that it's strong, but they have mitigated that with pads. Also, for the foot massager, you've got calf airbags that inflate and oscillate. Love that, great feature. And you have 3 rollers on the back on the bottom of the foot, and rollers on the back of the calves. Well, most people that sit in the chair that are not accustomed to having a foot massage find the foot massage to be too strong. So that's a con, except Infinity includes another set of foot pads. So you can slide the foot pads in there, and that'll decrease the intent or the intensity of the roller massage on the feet. And that's all you need is some foot pads, and it comes with the chair. So, but if you want a more intense massage on the foot, then make sure the pad isn't in there. And if it's too intense, slide it in there. So the con, or the foot and calf massage is a pro and a con, but because it can be too strong or not strong enough, depending on what padding you're using. But the calf massage is fantastic. I don't know if you've ever had a rubbing airbags rubbing or oscillating on your calves, but it's a wonderful feeling. And I got fairly big calves, and I do a lot of walking. I play hockey. My legs take a beating. And at my age, it's a significant beating, but sitting in a massage chair with a calf massage is fantastic. Also, let's see, what else can we talk about? It has 2 color selections, brown and black, which are traditional colors. That may not be enough for some people. Some people might want a taupe or a beige or an off-white color, but this model does not have that. The Bluetooth system is good, nothing extraordinary, but it has good sound in the system. But the SootheMe program is an awesome one, because you can sit in the chair. You don't have to connect your phone by Bluetooth with it. You just put it in the chair and select the SootheMe programs, and that will give you nature sounds through the speakers into your head, and it'll just help you relax when you're sitting in the chair. That's a fantastic feature. So the SootheMe feature is very nice. This chair has a memory program, and most chairs don't, which means a memory program means that you can create your own manual program, and all chairs you can do that. Pretty much all fully functioning massage chairs have auto programs and manual settings, so you can create your own program. Well, the great thing about that is that you can create the program to do whatever you want it to do. If you want it to work on your neck and with kneading and tapping, and you want a certain strength and a certain speed of the rollers or whatever, you can enjoy that massage, but you can also save that program if it's fantastic and you want to remember that next time, rather than trying to remember, okay, where did I have the rollers and what intensity was it? The chair will memorize that. So next time you come in, you just have to push one of the memory programs buttons on the quick keys. And by the way, the quick keys are a nice feature. We'll talk about that in a sec. But you can save that program. That is a real pro for this chair, because you don't see it a lot in other chairs. This has quick keys, so you can do shortcut function operations from the quick keys. You don't have to go into the remote control, activate it, click the warning button that you read it. You can just come in here, press the power button, turn the dial to get whatever program you want, and you can adjust heat and sound, and you can tap into your manual programs there. You can pause the program, and then you can turn it off again from here. So this is a really nice feature. Most chairs nowadays come with quick keys. It's a pretty popular feature, but for the Luminary, it's easy to use. It's pretty self-explanatory, and it's very convenient. One thing that I found is a bit of a con. Getting into the program was great using the tablet remote, no problem. The programs were great. The demo was good. The demo is a very good demo because they have a woman's voice talking through the speakers to tell you what the chair is doing during the demo phase. But when I first sat in this chair, I used a program called Morning, and I wanted to shut the chair off, and I couldn't figure out how to shut it off. I didn't want to use the quick keys. I wanted to do it from the remote control. You can always push here and shut it off or on, but I wanted to do it from the tablet. And I couldn't find a power button like this one. You see here, you got the power button emblem there on the quick key. Well, it didn't have that on the program I was in. And so it took me a while to figure out that if I just push the stop button for the program I'm in, it would stop the program and reset the chair and bring it up to neutral. So I kind of wish it was a little bit more, the power button was a little bit more, when I'm in the program, the power button was a little more obvious, a little more visible, so it could be easier to shut off the chair and get out. It took me a minute to figure that out. And I think that's probably it for the pros and cons. It's a very, very good chair, a very popular selling chair. We love this chair. It's hard to find anything wrong with it, but the few things that we would change, I mentioned that. But fantastic chair, Infinity Luminary. It's a synthetic leather upholstery, good, durable synthetic leather. And by the way, one other thing I'll say about Infinity. Infinity has a great customer support department. So if anything does go wrong with your chair, they take good care of you, and they're on the ball. Like, they are very accountable, and that's what we like to see as retailers, because you're our customer, but they're taking care of you if something goes wrong with the chair, and we appreciate companies that take good care of our customers. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please feel free to thumbs up, like us on our YouTube channel, and of course, help us spread the word about massage chairs by sharing this video or any of our videos with your friends and family through our various and sundry social media platforms. Or your social media platforms. I'm Dr. Alan Weidner from Massage Chair Relief, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.